Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all my lip balms and I'm going to give you some honest reviews about it. So let's go. Before starting with the video, let me give you some context. I start my day with a generic lip balm and then I have a tinted lip balm in my office bag just to touch up. And then I have a peptide lip mask to end my day with. So that said, I will be bifurcating all my lip balms in those categories. And yeah, let's go. So the first one that I have is the Zudio 149 rupees lip balm. It's in the flavor cherry, I guess. It's it's a mildly hydrating lip balm. I mean, its application is smooth and all, but I don't like it very much. It gives a very pale, bright. Okay, I think I'm just using contradicting words. It gives a very pale yet visible pink tint on my lips, and the lip balm doesn't stay on for a long time. And after it evaporates, it leaves my lips a bit dry, so I don't prefer it. This comes under my just to hydrate my lips a little bit so that I can apply lipstick afterwards, that kind of a lip balm. So I'll give this lip balm, according to the price that they are selling it in, I will give this a 5 on 10. So the second lip balm that I got is Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. It's again a generic lip balm that I use just to hydrate my lips to begin my day with. It's got a very subtle, pleasant smell to it, and its hydration is way better than the Zudio one. I would rate this a 6.5 out of 10. So the third one that I have is actually a recent purchase, Dot & Key Cocoa Creme Melty Lip Balm, and I am absolutely in love with it. I am a sucker for any lip balm that has got peptide in it, and I don't know, those peptides just work really well for my lips, and this one has got peptides and it has an amazing yet subtle tint, brown tint, and I love it. It smells so chocolatey. I keep this in my office bag, so whenever my day lipstick has just gone because of the food that I eat, I will easily give this an 8.5 out of 10. The next one that I got is the Mars Click Stick Gloss Lip Balm in the shade Cinnamon Swirl. It's actually the one that I'm wearing along with the Mars lip liner. I would say this is more of a gloss than a lip balm. It has got some good color pigment in it and it does keep the lips moisturized, but I wouldn't put it in a lip balm category. So I would rate this 7 on 10. The next one that I have, actually there are two, and both are the same, just different flavors. These are the Westside's Gloss Swirl Peptide Lip Mask. When I say I'm obsessed with peptide, you have to believe me. So initially I got this brown one, Java Whip variant, and I was obsessed with it. Like, I still use it every day, every night. When I'm going to sleep, I clean my face, I moisturize my face, and then bam, I apply it and then I go to sleep. And the next morning, my lips are completely plump and juicy and are ready to wear any lip combo I bring upon them. I absolutely love it, and it's got a very, very nice brown color to it. It just makes my lips look so plump and glossy. I absolutely love it. I will definitely rate it 10 on 10. And the other variant of the same product, this is in the shade Cherry Drip. It's a dark pink color lip product. I absolutely love it. If I have to choose one between the two variants, then it would definitely be the brown one, only because of the way it makes my face look, because I'm a dusky skin tone girl. so brown suits me better than pink. And they also have another variant in this, which is a very baby pink, hot pink color, kind of a color. I'm not much of a pink person, I'm a brown person. So yeah, these are 10 on 10s. Last but not the least, it's one of my favorite lip thingy to go to. It's the Lip Gelato Lip Oil from Love Child by Masaba. Again, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to categorize it as a lip balm, but since it's a lip oil, I just thought, I'll show it to you. It is in the shade Raspberry Rose. I absolutely love it. This has a very sheer spread on the lips, but it leaves a tint and it stays on for a very long time. It's a bit expensive for a lip balm, I would say, but really good quality and worth the price. I got it on e-commerce platform for way cheaper than Nykaa or Tira or any other makeup selling platform. I got it for 740 rupees on Instamart, whereas it's always around 850 or 890 on Nykaa. So yeah, this is really great, and I will rate this a 9 on 10. So let me know if you all want me to make another video showing you all the makeup collection that I have. Again, I don't get any PR packages. All the products that I own are either purchased by me or gifted to me. So yeah, let me know in the comments. That is all for the video. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Never thought I'd see this.